take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute.
Why hello, I'm Noel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing very well. For those of you who have seen the Shu Kurenai recipe video, Spaghetti Napolitain, thank you so much. I really enjoyed creating that recipe video. So today I thought we could simply do a cooking video, but a more easy and simple version, but creative. We're going to make several open sandwiches using a variety of ingredients. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. We're going to make 4 open sandwiches. I'm using this whole piece of bread called base bread. It's like a healthy bread, but you can use any type of bread if it's big enough and you can slice it into 4 pieces. Our first combination is cream cheese with prosciutto. There's an interesting store near this place in Tokyo. It's called ZUPPA SHINONOME. They slice prosciutto thinly. It tastes delicious, like heaven. It's smooth. So I'm going to use this prosciutto from ZUPPA. Just top it over cream cheese and leave it aside for now. Moving on to the second combination, which is guacamole with salmon. For this one I decided to use frozen avocado paste, which saves time. Just spread guacamole and put salmon over it. And we're going to use balsamic vinegar, just top it over the first and second open sandwich. So this adds some extra flavor to the prosciutto and salmon. Okay, we're done for the first 2. Nice. So, let's taste the first 2 sandwiches. Starting with prosciutto cream cheese. Wonderful. I love this combination. Prosciutto and cream cheese. This is always great, a good idea. And here's salmon with guacamole. Let's try. Oh my god. It's so good. Amazing. This could use some black pepper maybe if you like the spicy taste of pepper. That's also a good idea. Moving on to open sandwich number 3. This one is going to be a challenge for me because I don't know if this is going to work. It's my first time. But we're going to use foie gras with blood orange marmalade. So this is like a combination of sweet and salty. I'm using foie gras mousse like this, so you can easily spread it on the bread and then add the blood orange marmalade. This can be simple orange marmalade, of course, that's totally up to you. Finally, I decided to add some orange slices so that it looks nice as well. Last but not least, we have blue cheese with honey. Oh my god, this is a match made in heaven. This is also like a combination of sweet and salty. Here I decided to add some pink pepper, and here you go. It's very simple, but it's my first time adding pink pepper. I hope this works. In Japanese we say itadakimasu before we eat, so itadakimasu. It works. I think, yeah, it works. This is just my opinion, but the combination of blue cheese and honey is perfection. But adding the pink pepper on top makes the whole thing more flavorful, so I'm glad I did it. And here's the foie gras with blood orange marmalade sandwich. Let's try it. Interesting. Yeah, this is a tricky one because it's sweet and salty and kind of bitter, and it also has the sour taste of orange, which is really complicated, but honestly, I like it. Which of those combinations was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any requests for this kind of cooking video as well, let me know in the comments. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I can try, so I'll be happy to answer your comments. I always appreciate all your comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.